By the time we had our first Zoom meeting, it was December 7th. And on that call, they said there were 56 COVID positive cases. And that's in a span of 2.5 weeks. So that's really fast spread. My grandmother was tested positive on December 15th. And then 5 days later, she passed away. The whole idea of enhanced surveillance did not come up until I started asking questions or asking other family members, like, what kind of information were you given? And I saw that, okay, it says enhanced surveillance, but what does this mean? Like, because they said they were still allowing group activities, or like people were still eating together in the dining room. So what exactly is enhanced about this surveillance? And it didn't sound like they were doing testing of anybody, because I know for a fact that my grandmother didn't get a test until early December.
Measures were not taken immediately. Outbreaks were hidden.
These families deserve answers. Will the Premier tell these 192 families why this policy change was implemented and families were left in the dark?
The suggestion that the immediate efforts of our medical health teams, of our provincial health officer, of our public health system in responding to these situations, to COVID-19 in long-term care and to outbreaks in long-term care, caused this loss of life, is not supported by the evidence. It is a tragic situation indeed when anyone passes away from COVID-19. But I think our teams have done and the balance of events shows this, in difficult circumstances, when the declaration of outbreaks have profound effects on people as well and their health. They've done a very, very good job.
I find it almost a little bit offensive for the families to hear this too, because we see the link, like, if it's not because of the delayed in declaration of the outbreak, then why did the spread happen so quickly? But I'm also fearful that as soon as the media attention dies down, they're gonna hope that it just gets forgotten.
Public accounting.
I want there to be action and results from this before people can just kind of pretend it never happened. Because it's so tragic that so many lives were lost, and as a result, the people who could have made it better are not held accountable.